I don't think it takes a math genius to understand that if more and more people are moving into the city, then the current situation can scale that way. And also the current solutions won't work, so that's why it's so critical for legislators and cities to lead the legislation and lead the direction of advancement. And it's also really important for companies, commercial companies, to work hand in hand with them. The old model of asking for forgiveness rather than permission won't work in transportation. You have to work hand in hand. And from talking with people who are in government and legislation and FAA, people who we work with daily, the legislators are a lot of time working in a bubble. So they need to work hand in hand with the technology company. There needs to be an open discussion. And I believe an approach of having an open consortium that brings together different industry leaders and legislators together to discuss this is really important, and one of the things we're trying to lead.